Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here. New to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. And today I came up with this video because everyone has been requesting me do this in Instagram. So my Instagram handle is also in the description box below. So do follow me there for any new videos or updates. This is the look I do on daily basis. Anywhere I go, I do this look because let's be practical, okay? Only if you're going to some weddings or any sort of occasions, then only I glam up. I don't know about other people, but I glam up only during that time. If I have a meeting, if I'm going to work, if I'm going anywhere, I'm going to just do this look and go. So as to how to achieve this look, please do keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize. Regardless of your skin type, let it be dry, oily, combination, you need a moisturizer. So I'm going to use this Mamaearth oil free moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. This one right over here. This is an amazing moisturizer for your face, your base stays in place. Oh, that actually rhymed. So the next thing that I like to use is a primer. This is the Master Prime Maybelline Mattifying Primer for oily skin. I do have combination skin and it tends to get really oily near my forehead and nose. I am a dry skin type usually, but it has its own mood swings, as I said. So I'm just going to apply this. This is a really good primer. You have to invest in this if you want an extremely good primer. I use the Lakme religiously, but I just started using this and I'm like, oh my god, this is just a wonder product. So the next thing that I like to do is go in with foundation. For foundation, I like a very full coverage foundation, but for everyday it becomes a pain. So on everyday basis, I like a sheer to medium coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This is the foundation over here. And if you are a person who likes a very sheer coverage and or a medium coverage, this is like a buildable coverage foundation, but your coverage will be maximum to medium, not very full coverage. So as you can see, it's a very sheer coverage foundation. None of my marks, nothing has been covered, but I'm going to go ahead with one more layer. And if you're a beginner, please know that use tapping motions and not swiping. For your neck, you got to swipe and then just do this. It gives an even base. I'm going to go in with the second layer. You want to just see a wear test and know what kind of capacity this foundation has, and if you want to see a swatch test and if you want to see an entire review on this, I will leave a link in the description box below. I have done an entire video on this foundation and how it works, and I've even done a wear test. So this is the coverage that it gives. Next up, I'm going in with my forever favorite concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 40 Caramel, and this is a fabulous concealer for people who are looking for drugstore. This is under 500 and what a brilliant coverage it gives. So once I have applied the concealer, I'm going to go quickly set my face before it creases with Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen in the shade Warm Pink. This is for whitish to dusky skin tones. As you can see, I have carved out my nose with this, like given this thing, a gap, and I've set the rest of my face using the same sponge that they give. It's actually a very convenient thing to just put it all around and be done with it. And this is a very affordable one. You want to look out for some setting powder which is like really good and long lasting. Lakme is the one to put. This is 160 rupees and so much of product. So you get 40 grams. 40 grams of product for 160 rupees. You see your skin tone, if whitish to dusky skin, warm pink is for you. If you're light to medium, there is another shade also. There are two powders that come. This is warm, that is rose pink I guess, and that will be for lighter skin tone to medium skin tone. Just gonna allow this to sit. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For eyebrows, again, this is the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, and this is the shade medium brown. This is the pencil over here. Again, this is a very drugstore, one of the best brow pencils. I love this so much because it comes with a spoolie and it gives a very natural finish. Eyeliner is any girl's best friend. I know some people find it really difficult to do, but if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you to use eyeliner pens. But for me as a beginner, I like liquid liners. It was so easy to work with and you get precision, I feel, more in an liquid eyeliner. But for beginner, you can try out the pen liners, but I'm gonna go in with my Lakme Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner, and this is in the shade black, and this is the one over here. That is like the most easiest thing I could ever do. So once our eyeliner is done, we are gonna allow this to dry, and I'm gonna dust off the bake. So for face, I'm gonna take a very natural looking blush, and I'm gonna take this apricot blush by Wet n Wild Color Icon. This is the one over here. This is a very disappointing purchase, because it has glitter particles and I don't like anything that has glitter on my face except for my highlighter to be beaming. This had glitter, but I'm just gonna make it work, okay? For everyday use, this is really good because you get this very subtle glow. If you don't want those heavy beaming highlighter, you just see the glitter chunks. I'm just gonna move it around, but I'm just gonna use it because, as I said, for everyday purpose, it is really good. I legit can't see any sort of color, but we're gonna work with it. And the other thing I like to do is I like to use a bronzer. I know this is a heavy duty step and a lot of people will avoid it, but I personally love to do like this kind of makeup and go out. As I said, makeup is a very subjective topic, and really love this Sugar Contour The Force mini bronzer, and this is in the taupe topper shade, and this is 01. This has a very warm tone, and you have for cool toned another one, a purpose if you're going to go somewhere to your office and you need a very slight bit. Don't need to use a heavy duty one, so I'm just going to dust that off. And you can see how much of warmth my face has got back after using a bronzer. A lot of people are confused between bronzers and contour. Many people think that contouring and bronzing is the same. I'm sorry to break this to you, but it's not, because a bronzer gives warmth to your skin back, and a contour is supposed to give you a shadow which will look grey if you're going to use it like a bronzer. If you're going to use a contour like a bronzer to give warmth, it's going to look grey and it's going to look ashy on your skin. And you know, you cannot use a bronzer as a contour. Why? Because it's going to make your face look muddy, because that is supposed to add warmth and not give dimension and shape to your face. So that's my point. So after giving some warmth wherever I wanted, like I wanted a little warmth here, here, otherwise I was looking really white. And after that, the thing which I love the most, curling my lashes. Lash Sensational, and this is the waterproof one. You can instantly say like it makes such a big difference when you have a good set of mascara and your lashes are so good. So that's for my eyes, guys. I'm gonna go in with a very brown everyday kind of color. This is the Velvet Touch lip liner pencil over here. It's a very brown, dark brown, and I love the packaging. I'm going to take this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte in the shade MB12 Choco Break. This is the lipstick over here. This is a gorgeous chocolate color. I love it. I just love it. So I'm just gonna, on top of your lashes, you can just curl a bit to give that extra volume. That's what I do. Can you see that? That is the difference between both the eyes when you curl. This lipstick is so beautiful, but the only problem is it is patchy, and it tends, once you swipe and you swipe on top of it, it takes the color along with it, and then you have to reapply. Be very careful while reapplying because you'll see patches. You have to keep on applying. Other than that, it's a beautiful shade and I cannot stop using it because of that. So the last step, I know this is very optional, but many people won't like it, but I love to go in with a highlighter for even an everyday use. I love a highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead with this Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. This is the pen and it is broken. It just fell down and broke, guys. This is completely optional, but I like to do it. And I'm going to take a little more in my finger and I'm going to take a little more and put it on my bridge of my nose and over tip of the nose too. Inner corners to give that a gleam. And this is my final look. I'm just going to be right back. This is my completed look, and this was so easy to do, like literally so easy. Anyone can do it, and this is what is my daily jam. I don't do anything extra. Only if I'm going to a wedding or something, I might apply eyeshadow and all the jazz and jizz, but other than that I don't apply anything extra at all because that is just me. I love an eyeliner, simple eyeliner, and I'm good to go. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please do like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. See you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.